Benhorton, I'm just checking in with you. How's it going with putting the bed together? How's it going? Oh, he doesn't want to be disturbed. He's working silently. Yeah, working silently. It's coming together. There it is. Doing something? Are you busy? Ben's introduction to Ikea furniture. You won't know a kind of frustration that you have never felt before in your life. There. All else fails, get the hammer. Get the screwdriver out. You doing something? Working something? I suppose the last thing I should be doing is just standing by idly watching him.
I love to run on you.
Oh, there's neat piles I made once upon a time.
Ben building a bed?
This is still.
Waiting patiently.